Today's video I'll be making Lipton chicken noodle soup. It's one of these packets here, and I'll be mixing it with potatoes. These are 2 potatoes that I peeled and chopped up and washed. I washed it about 5 times with tap water and washed it once with purified water. And some imitation crab. So all I need is a pot of boiling water here. I'm going to boil the water for about maybe 7 minutes, just like that. And I'm going to put all the contents in there afterwards. And I'll be making my what we call it, chicken noodle imitation crab potato soup. Okay. Now that the water is boiling, I'm going to put the potato in here. I'll dump it in like that. Get a little spoon or something. Roll it around, mix it. I'll put some imitation crab in there as well. See how many I'm going to put in. Make a decision. That's 1. 2. And that looks good. That's what I'll be using in there for that. I'm going to leave this in here for about another 7 minutes. Okay, now that's boiling and everything. I'm going to put the soup base in here. Going to leave this in here for about 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes, and just stir it. I should be ready. Okay, so now this is how it looks like after it's finished. It tastes pretty good. And that's what I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching.